Good day, everyone. Let's fix all kinds of boot errors, or I would say startup repair for Windows 10 or Windows 11 computer. So here you will get an option, your PC did not start correctly, and then you will have option continue and advanced option. Once you click on that advanced option, you get this option. If you do not see a window like this, I'll tell you one way to come to this screen. Follow this method, do it for 3 times, and you will get an automatic repair window where you need to click on advanced options. Here you will find continue and exit to Windows 10 or troubleshoot. So here we will select reset your PC and see advanced option. So we can do the reset PC, but currently we will not do that. We're going to fix the boot problems of Windows 11 and Windows 10. So we will not reset this PC, we will click on this advanced option. And here we have many options where system image recovery, command prompt, and we just need to go to the startup repair, fix problem that keeps Windows from loading. So if we have any loading issues, we just need to click on that, and your computer will be restarted, and you will get a window like this, which says, please wait. You get an option startup repair, and you can select your user account. Please make sure that you select a user account which has administrative rights. So I'll select my main user account. And here you can enter the password. If you do not have any password, you can simply click on continue. So once you click on that, it will start diagnosing and fixing all kinds of startup and boot issues you have on your Windows 11 or Windows 10 computer. The whole procedure might take 5-7 minutes, so you can wait and let the system fix the Windows repair or startup repair issues. For most of us, this will fix the problem. You can let me know if you still have startup issues or any issues with the computer. I'll try my best to fix your problem. Please, if this tutorial has helped you, please hit the like and subscribe and leave a comment. I'll see you in the next tutorial. Have a wonderful day.